Hey, this is Brandon Allen from New Work Revolution, and I'm the creator of the Strategic Business Forum Workshop Series. So I want to give you a sense for what the purpose-driven productivity workshop in March is going to look like. I've had a lot of people ask me, hey, what's this about? What do we do here? How does this work? So I thought I would just give you kind of a high level what to expect when you come to a Strategic Business Forum workshop. This workshop's going to be virtual, and we're going to dive into 3 specific areas that will supercharge your productivity and help you be the effective, purpose-driven human being that you are meant to be. And the first thing that we're going to talk about, and I'm sure this isn't going to be a shock since you know the title, purpose. We're going to dive into purpose. We're going to help you get some clarity on what is your purpose. And when we do that, what we can do then is secondarily help you dive into your priorities and really uncover what are the most important things that you specifically can do to impact your business and to impact the people you serve through your business. And the last thing that we're going to talk about is what are the most common obstacles that you run into with productivity and how do we overcome those things? So it's one thing to know your purpose, to know your priorities. It's another thing to be equipped with how to sidestep the myriad of issues that can come up that derail our productivity as a whole. Here's the thing that's unique about the Strategic Business Forum. We ask questions and we give you time to dive into the answers to these questions that you've probably either never asked yourself or it's been a while since you've asked yourself, and we're going to create the space for you to really deep dive and get clear on what you want, what's getting in your way, and how you can do this at a higher level in 2023. In addition to that, you're going to meet a lot of fantastic people. We're going to have leaders from all over the country in attendance, maybe even in other countries in attendance, and you're going to be able to learn from them. You're going to be able to connect with them, and there's a lot of power in that connection. C.S. Lewis says that true friendship begins at the moment that one person says to the next, "What, you too? I thought I was the only one." And I love that quote because I think it encapsulates what we do at the Strategic Business Forum really well. So we have been doing the Forum Workshop Series this is our 15th year doing the workshop series. People love it. And here's the thing about it. If for some reason it doesn't turn out to be a good fit for you after you register, we'll refund your ticket. No questions asked, no worries. We're still friends if that happens. But I've never had to do it up to this point, knock on wood, and I don't plan on doing it after this workshop either. So take advantage of our early bird discount, $97. It doesn't get any cheaper for transformational experience. So I look forward to seeing you there. Make the commitment to your leadership, and we'll talk real soon. Bye.